Welcome back, fellow seekers of wisdom, to another episode of Philosophical Pursuits. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the realm of pragmatism. As we delve into this influential philosophical perspective, we'll explore its core principles, historical context, and practical implications. So let's not waste another moment and begin our exploration of pragmatism. Pragmatism, as a philosophical school of thought, emerged in the late 19th century and continues to shape our understanding of the world today. It places a strong emphasis on practical consequences and the real-world application of ideas. The guiding question of pragmatism is, what is the practical difference this idea or belief makes? Now let's dive into the three key thinkers who played pivotal roles in developing pragmatism: Charles Sanders Peirce, William James, and John Dewey. These remarkable philosophers paved the way for a pragmatic approach that revolutionized our understanding of knowledge, truth, and the nature of reality. Charles Sanders Peirce, often considered the father of pragmatism, believed that the meaning of a concept lies in its practical implications. He proposed the concept of pragmatic maxim, which suggests that we understand ideas by exploring their practical consequences. Peirce's groundbreaking work on semiotics, or the study of signs and symbols, also laid the foundation for understanding meaning and communication. Moving on to William James, a prominent figure in pragmatism, he focused on the personal and subjective aspects of human experience. James believed that the truth of an idea is not separate from its practical value, but rather intertwined with it. He emphasized the importance of individual experience, freedom of choice, and the exploration of multiple perspectives. Lastly, we have John Dewey, whose contributions to pragmatism extend to areas such as education and social reform. Dewey believed that knowledge is not just an abstract concept, but a tool for solving real-life problems. He emphasized the importance of learning through experience, encouraging individuals to actively engage with their environment to develop practical understanding. Pragmatism encourages us to bridge the gap between theory and practice, challenging us to apply philosophical ideas to our daily lives. It reminds us that ideas should not exist in isolation, but must be tested and refined through their practical consequences. So, how can we embody pragmatism in our lives? Well, it starts by critically examining our beliefs and ideas. We must consider their practical implications and whether they align with our experiences and values. Pragmatism teaches us to be open-minded, flexible, and willing to adapt our beliefs based on the evidence and outcomes we encounter. Let's not forget the power of experimentation. Pragmatism urges us to test our ideas, theories, and approaches in the real world. By doing so, we can gather valuable feedback and refine our understanding. It's through this ongoing process of trial and error that we can achieve personal growth and make meaningful contributions to society. As we conclude our exploration of pragmatism, let's remember that philosophy is not confined to dusty books and lofty debates. It has the potential to transform our lives and the world around us. Pragmatism reminds us to embrace the practicality of ideas, the power of experience, and the importance of constant learning and adaptation. Thank you for joining me today on this enlightening journey into pragmatism. I hope this episode has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore this fascinating philosophy further. Remember, the pursuit of wisdom is a lifelong endeavor, and together we can continue to expand our understanding of the world. Until next time, fellow seekers of wisdom, stay curious, stay pragmatic, and keep exploring.